Daging ni siya. Ang sama ni. Oh, Tim, I need this one. Dehumidifier. Pangtanong. Finhit. Fine. Sorry. Pangyaw, how much is this?
350.
Yatay makapangyaw. Uy, mahal man, uy.
New or branded.
Kasabot ka. 350? Oh, to 100. Oh.
Second hand selling there people, but working, no working, not like rent. This one you check and then you buy.
Ah, check your buy, okay. Uy, ang ganda nyo. Humidifier. Oops, very new. This is very new talaga siya. Oh, 350. Unsa man eh? Unsa ni siya? Pangyaw, this one, what is this?
Oxygen machine.
Sorry?
Oxygen.
Oxygen? Oxygen machine daw to.
This is a e-pump.
Oh! This is the oxygen outlet. You have to put water inside.
Yeah, this one oxygen.
Oh! This one how much?
250.
Sige daw, sige daw, sige daw. Sige, show. Kaya.
And this one also for exercise.
Okay. Demo na, oh. Nag-demo na. Sige, very good. Sige, Pangyaw, go. Oh. This one, how much is this?
This one 280. And the bigger one also have.
Bigger one also.
Yeah, 400, 350 like that. But this one last give you to 250. Because you check the price in Hong Kong around 1,400, 500 like that.
Oh, I see. My goodness. Very cool, huh?
And this machine, you know, second hand people selling there. The black guy buy send in the country. 120, second hand.
Yeah.
And then this one is the new one.
Yeah, it
and
is.
the not
Manual.
the local brand.
Yeah, should be together.
If you
Wow.
want panel, I give you 300.
Okay. Next time. Thank you.
And my fan